Hey folks, Robert H here. Just wanted to share a trade I took on HTZ today, Hertz. So Hertz didn't make our pre-morning gappers watch list. I'm not sure why, maybe the ATR was too low or whatnot. But at around 9:31, it showed up on the turbo breakdown scanner. So if you're in the chat room, you've obviously seen this before. Andrew shares the scanners with us. We got turbo break up, turbo breakdown, shows stocks with high relative volume that are moving. And then Andrew and Brian, the other mods, they call out their trades here. And this is where the lovely folks in our community engage in meaningful trading conversations. Anyways, so around 9:31 it showed up, and usually that gives me enough time because I don't trade the first 5 minutes. I started looking for levels on the daily chart, found some stuff here, 1839, some bottoms and some tops where the price showed meaningful support and resistance. This is what Andrew teaches us in the classes, right? Anyways, so that by around 9:30, let's say 9:34, 9:35, the candle closed, first candle, and I was looking for an opening range breakout, which is what we teach in the classes, right? So when the price breaks the body, now I'm looking for this for a long because it's above VWAP, right? The blue line here, it's above VWAP, and I'm going to use VWAP as my stop for a long because the candle's white. Right, so as soon as it was about to break that opening body, what did I see in the 1 minute chart? This is what I saw. It formed an ABCD type of deal. And if Adventure Dog LA is watching this, he's probably going to ask, Robert, why did you go long before it broke out, right? Well, shouldn't your entry be here? Well, I've seen this formation so many times, this wedging where the candle's always inside. It's already above VWAP, it's strong, gap up double digits. I know this thing's breaking out to the upside. So I jumped the gun, right? Jumped the gun, boom. Look at this next candle, what we caught here. I was trying to be patient with the scale outs because I saw 1839, but it's so far away, right? I mean, my entry was 17 and 60 or something. That was like 80 cents away, which is huge for a $17 stock. So I just started taking it off at high of the day here. High of the day, broke above 18, taking more off. And then I just started frantically taking it off as it got towards 1839. And good thing I did, because on the very next candle it dumped. I saw that I couldn't make a new high. Like it just double topped like that and it started dumping. And I was all out. So my day was done in 5 minutes. That was a hit goal. But being me and being foolish, I continued to trade and gave it all back. So let's just go over a couple of trades here that I took. One of the losers. So this one, Weight Watchers. Now, if you guys have been following the chat room, you know that we've been calling out these 15-minute reversals. I saw this one here, and I took it long. So it made a new 15-minute high. I took it long here. My stop would have been here if this candle went red. But I couldn't get any momentum, right? Even though the volume was here, I couldn't get any momentum. So what did I see when this candle started going red? I didn't put my stop down here. That's foolish, right? I knew the move was falling apart because these things need momentum, right? So I just got out, right, when it broke the body of the previous candle. And I looked at the time after the fact. I was like, you know what? It's not even 10:30 yet. What am I doing taking this reversal? Because if you guys have seen my videos, I know these things happen after 10:30, right, for the big time reversals. So that was pretty foolish. Let's just take a look where my entry was here. There was no moving average cross, none of that stuff to give the support, right? Now this was the real deal. This one would have been the legit maneuver. This bottom that it put in here. Alright, so go back to the 15-minute chart. This new 15-minute high, this is the one that had the momentum, right? And look at this pop that we caught here. All the way back to just shy of VWAP on higher highs, higher lows. So if you go long on, let's see the entry here, 79.50-ish, somewhere here, right? All white candles, higher highs, higher lows, no reason to get out. You would probably stop out when this candle goes red and you catch that move, right? So let's take a look at the 1 minute chart and see what that looked like. I'm pretty sure there were some crosses on that formation, which was at around, I guess, 10:45. Yeah, so as you can see, this is what I'm talking about here. Cross, and then people rode the trend to VWAP, right? So that's the other one, and then there was a third one later in the day. I knew this thing was going to reverse. So actually, this stock wasn't on the gappers watch list either. I called this in the pre-market. I forget where I saw it. I might have saw it on one of the news services or something. I saw it gap down 4%. And it didn't make our gappers, but I still added it to the watch, and lucky I did. And a lot of people in the room caught this huge opening range breakdown. This is massive. This is a $10 drop, right? So good move. Then good example of why you shouldn't ignore stocks. That's, you know, even though they're low volume, the volume can come in, right? They can come in. So anyways, this was a pretty good breakout. This consolidation. Look at this 1 hour and a half consolidation. As soon as it broke out here, I knew this thing was going to be good to go. So on the 5-minute chart, it looked like this, right? These are all the consolidation bottoms, breakout, and look where we've gotten now. Got above VWAP and beyond, right? So on the 15-minute chart, this would have been the play. Nice big reversal. Let's take a look at the 1-minute chart. Anything to give us an indication that it was going to pop up. You guessed it, crossing over. So yeah, the entry 1245. Anyways, that's my recap. If you guys want to learn how to use the scanners, learn the strategies that we teach, we discuss, take a look at the links in the description. Andrew's book is a great resource for anyone starting out day trading. Our chat room, we invite you guys to come join us anytime. There's a trial where you guys can see what we do every day. And our forum is a great resource to meet and engage with other traders. So that's my recap. Thanks for watching, guys.